Today's video gonna show you how to program a new key for BMW CAS4 Plus system when all key lost. Step 1. Read ISN code. You can click Help document to check connection information. Check the required accessories. Connect Enter0 interface board correctly to the DNE. Show circuit CAN resistor on the obdii365 adapter to the CAN2 on join. Connect ACDP host obdii365 adapter, Enter0 interface board and the DNE. Open Mini ACDP app. Choose BMW. Choose DNE ISN. Choose bench mode rewrite DNE ISN. Select the corresponding option according to the chassis model. Here I'm gonna choose chassis app. Then select the option according to the DNE model. Choose M13. Choose Rewrite ISN. Please save EEPROM date. Please save the ISN date. Click Export. Click Save in the lower right corner. Click Quit. Read the ISN date finished. Step 2. Program keys. Please connect ACDP host with vehicle OBD port. Choose CAS1 to 4. Choose CAS4, CAS4 Plus. Choose OBD mode. Choose MMO mile age. Choose all key loss automatic mode. Please make sure ACDP host has connected with OBD port. Please check the system information and save the screenshot. Click Continue to do the ECU pre-process. Please save the coding date. ECU pre-process finished. Import the ISN code that saved in the previous step. Check the ISN number. Check the MMO information and save the screenshot. Choose any unoccupied key channel displayed as FF. Please put a new blank key close to the emergency start sensing antenna. Key learning finished. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.